Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Redmi Note 11S to an Android device. Start by opening Play Store on both smartphones, tapping on the search bar and typing in Send Anywhere. Then install this app from this developer and select Open. Over here you need to click on I accept, then confirm, continue and lastly allow. After that, select Receive on your Android and Send on Xiaomi. Now you can tap on all of those dots and select Send. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take some time though, so I will go with only this photo. Choose Send and tap on Got It. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android, choosing Allow, or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and tap on Receive. And now as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!